Sa ibang balita, paglakas ng capital market, ikinakampihan ng Philippine Stock Exchange sa mga lalawigan. Ang detalye sa ulat ng yan ng aming kasamang si George Mandola.
Matapos ang World Economic Forum, inilalapit na ng Philippine Stock Exchange ang kahalaga nito sa mga mas maliliit na sektor ng lipunan. Sa pamagitan ng mga roadshow at investment education, hinihikayat ng PSE ang mga middle income earners na magsimula ng maglagak ng puhunan sa stock market. Ayon kay PSE Board Dr. Francis Chua, di kalaunay magiging madali na ang pag-i-invest sa capital market kaysa dati.
The brokers, they're now going to the provinces. You know? And in the provinces, there's most of the SME allocated and being easily accessed. That's one of the assistance.
So to make it more accessible
Yes,
para sa
exactly. Yeah. And on top of that, I think you also know that now you could buy stocks anywhere, even in your house.
Paghihikayat ni Chua, dapat na bisitahin ng mga estudyante at middle income earners ang website ng PSE para matuto sa capital market. Isa ang capital market ng bansa sa pinakamatatag na economic institution sa buong Asia ngayon at tinitingnan nitong pinakamadaling maglagak ng negosyo na may malaking return of investments.
PSE has been trying to go to the provinces to bring this down to SME, to the individuals, to let them know that the capital market is something for everybody. The only advice is that please study carefully. Look at our website. We have provided all kinds of data.
Samantala, tiniyak ni Chua na magiging ligtas sa mga thrift banks at rural banks sa nalalapit na pagsasabatas ng bagong foreign bank policy. Alinsunod sa panukala, tanging mga universal banks at commercial banks na pagmamayari ng mga dayuhan ang papayagang makapag-expand sa Pilipinas.
Approval of foreign banks in the Philippines, that might be limited to commercial or universal bank. I don't believe that thrift bank will be open to the foreign investors, because that will be just like opening up our retail trade to the foreigners.
So there's still some protection for the thrift banks.
Yes.
That you can assure of on the part of the business sector.
And the government should be doing that to protect the Filipinos.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Mandola.